Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're exploring Media.net. This platform presents itself as a contextual advertising network, meaning its ads are designed to be relevant to the content of your website. They emphasize a focus on high-quality publishers and a commitment to providing a positive user experience. This suggests they might have stricter approval processes than some other ad networks, potentially leading to a higher quality ad inventory. This, in turn, could translate to better ad performance and increased revenue for publishers who meet their criteria. Media.net boasts a large network, which they claim reaches a significant portion of the Internet's users. This broad reach can be advantageous for publishers looking to maximize their ad impressions. They also highlight their sophisticated algorithms, which they use to optimize ad placement and targeting. This level of automation could potentially free up publishers to focus on content creation rather than ad management. It's worth noting, though, that these claims are based on Media.net's own marketing materials, so it's important to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism. Independent research and reviews will be crucial in forming a complete picture of the platform's effectiveness. One area to investigate further would be the types of ads Media.net supports. Understanding whether they primarily focus on display ads, native ads, or other formats will be critical in determining whether they're a good fit for your specific site and audience. Also, researching their payment terms and any potential revenue share arrangements is vital before committing to the platform. Finally, looking into the experiences of other publishers who have used Media.net can provide valuable insights into the platform's strengths and weaknesses. User reviews and forum discussions can often reveal practical details that marketing materials might gloss over. By considering these various aspects, you can make a more informed decision about whether Media.net is the right advertising solution for you.